Meditation and yoga are constantly being recommended as the best ways to de-stress and relieve anxiety and tension in life. However, according to the review of the effects of yoga, meditation, mindfulness, and Tai Chi on our genes, done by the journal Frontiers in Immunology, they don't simply relax us, they can reverse the molecular reactions in our DNA which cause ill health and depression. Namely, in the case of stress, our sympathetic nervous system, SNS, flips on and activates the fight or flight response. Yet, in early human times, as people were constantly in danger, this response was vital to their survival, and the body systems normalized easier afterward. On the other hand, nowadays, we live in a stressful world that makes our fight or flight mechanism overused, and thus damages our health. As soon as the SNS is activated, our body stimulates the production of a molecule called nuclear factor kappa B, NFKB, which controls the way our genes are expressed. It turns on cytokines, the genes that make and release proteins, and this leads to inflammation, illness, and disease. However, this research showed that people who engage in these mind-body interventions, MBIs, such as yoga and meditation, show a significant decrease in the manufacture of both NFKB and inflammatory cytokines. Science Daily reports. These activities are leaving what we call a molecular signature in our cells, which reverses the effect that stress or anxiety would have on the body by changing how our genes are expressed. Put simply, MBIs cause the brain to steer our DNA processes along a path which improves our well-being. This explains why we feel healed and protected from all kinds of health issues when practicing mindful practices. According to Ivana Burek from the Brain, Belief, and Behavior Lab in Coventry University's Center for Psychology, Behavior, and Achievement. Millions of people around the world already enjoy the health benefits of mind-body interventions like yoga or meditation, but what they perhaps don't realize is that these benefits begin at a molecular level and can change the way our genetic code goes about its business. These activities are leaving what we call a molecular signature in our cells, which reverses the effect that stress or anxiety would have on the body by changing how our genes are expressed. Put simply, MBIs cause the brain to steer our DNA processes along a path that improves our well-being. This is an important foundation to build on to help future researchers explore the benefits of increasingly popular mind-body activities.